G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another review. Bangers sent me this Eachine Novice 1. Now this, you get all this stuff in this little box. I think it's, get 10 batteries for 165 bucks, or if you want 2 battery version it's 145. That's US. In Australian dollars, that's about 246 bucks for 10 batteries and 216 for just 2 batteries. Anyway, that's what you get in the kit. Looks pretty impressive, so we'll get it out of the box and have a quick look at it. Alright, this is what you get in the box. I'll go through it very quickly before we take this thing out for a bit of a spin. USB cable, charger that do 6 batteries at once. Has 3 inputs, got normal DC input, XT60 and USB. A bag here with a screwdriver, pop removal tool and 4 props. Couple of batteries, you obviously get 10 if you buy the 10 kit. The Eachine VR 005 goggles. Now, these things look cheap, but we'll see how they go. I'm not a great lover of box goggles, as you probably know. The screen size on this thing is 960 by 240. The actual size in inches is 2.7 inches. And it's not real comfortable, but we'll see how it goes. The controller, well, it's just a controller. I hope it goes okay because it looks really cheap. Now the drone looks like a Mobular 7. Really nice looking drone. So let's hope this goes okay. 1102 motors on this, 13,500 kV. Now the Nano has a Nano VTX 25 to 200 milliwatt. Also it comes with a Runcam Nano 2 camera, so spec'd up pretty well. Yeah, it comes with a built-in FR Sky D8 receiver. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll see how good this thing is. We'll take it out, give it a spin, and we'll go from there. Let's go. All right, let's see if we can fly this thing around the house. The screen's not too bad. Good colours. Oh, let's see what happens. Control is pretty touchy. Okay. So we can maneuver all this. It's not too bad. Takes a little bit of getting used to. Alright, we're going upstairs. See if we can race around the house. Okay, it's not too bad once you've done a couple of laps here. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. It's just a bit touchy getting in really tight spots when I was coming up the stairs, but I think anyone can get used to this pretty quick. It's not the best control in the world, I can tell you that. It really is touchy. A few little dead spots. Yeah. Oh, see if we can get back down the stairs. For someone that's just new to the game, it's probably alright. I'm surprised I can see through these goggles. It's actually pretty clear. Righto. Yep. We're going to make it or what? Not too bad. Well, there you go. Am I surprised? Oh yeah. These things will leave marks on my face, I'm sure of it. Look, they're not the most comfortable glasses, but I'm very surprised. I really am. I just can't believe they've made them for that sort of money. The goggles aren't as bad as what I thought they were going to be. I can see through them and fly, so yeah. Anyway, we'll take this thing out in the field and see what it goes like with 2S. Let's go. G'day guys, here we are out in the paddock now. We're going to fly the Eachine Novice 1 on 2S and see how it goes. Let's go. Well, there we go. Actually this thing flies alright, especially in acro. It's surprising how good these goggles are compared to their pissy little size. They look like they're not worth 2 bob, but I can see to fly with them, which is amazing. I don't really think you can go wrong. If someone's starting off, wants to get into this thing cheaply, you don't want to spend a lot of bucks to get into FPV. At least you'll know whether you want to get into it or not. Without having to spend all the bucks. The controller's quite easy to fly once you get used to it. It takes a little bit of getting used to because the sticks are just a little bit, well, not real good, but they're okay. For someone that's getting into it, like I said before, it's cheap. This flies pretty well for what it is. I'm really impressed with the quad, but this the first thing in upgrade is probably the controller, because it's probably worth about 10 bucks. I'm really not that impressed with it, but having said that, it does fly really good. And the goggles do surprise me. They're uncomfortable as anything, but they work. Alright, I'll bring this thing back in. Oh, didn't make it, battery's flat. Well, there you go guys, that's the Eachine Novice 1. Just one thing I'll let you know, we just spent the last 15 minutes looking for this thing because the battery went flat on me, and the grass is a little bit long here. Don't fly it long grass because shit, they're hard to find, I tell you. Anyway, look, I can recommend this. The quad is really good. Goggles are okay. The controller's pretty crap, but you can get used to it. Still think it's worthwhile for what it costs. For someone that's starting off, it's a really cheap way for them to get into it. Anyway, if you're interested, I'll leave a link below. If you're not, don't care. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Anyway, catch you next time.